together with pastry chef and
Sa inyo. Ayan. Yes. Maybe
oh,
we can go back sa previous.
yep. Thank you, thank you. Hold on. Ayan. Meron na?
Yan, may pyramid na.
Ayan. Introduced to us 1990s and in the whole world. Basically, anong pinakamalaki na sa baba? It has been bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. And then pataas hanggang sa pinakamaliit yung mga fat, oils, and sweets. As you can see guys, hindi masyadong nabigyan ng priority no when it comes to like the real fat and also yung ating meats, fibers as well. Ayan, may mag-enter pa po. Si Ate Hero na ang bahala. Now, kung ikukumpara natin, 2025, pero actually 2026 na talaga siya banda halos na introduce dito, no? Nabaliktad na siya. Bakit kaya? May idea ba kayo that you can chat? Bakit kaya bakit nyo binaliktad? Di ba? Parang may idea ba tayo na bakit kaya nila binaliktad? Ano kaya mga naging reason? So maraming naging mga sakit-sakit na lumabas that had really been addressed because, kumbaga, naging pandemya na siya. Like obesity, like ang mga chronic illnesses, dumami na siya. And ito ngayong 2026 is na aprubahan na sa US. Okay? Kaya ngayon, binibigyan nilang importance yung real whole foods, kaya nabaliktad yung food pyramid. Now, kung nakikita nyo dito, the meat or the protein that is high in omega-3 and fat, like eggs, fish, dairy, yung mga avocado, ganyan. And also, yung mga merong insoluble and soluble fiber, which is naturally in fruits. So, yung mga grains, priority kung ano yung whole grains, unlike sa parang mga carbs lang na wala na masyadong fiber, and mas lalong limitahan, especially ang mga ultra-processed foods. Ito yung basically applicable dito sa Pilipinas, kung ano rin yung meron tayo. Di ba? Malamang sa malamang, marami tayong fish, meron tayo namang karne, marami tayong gulay din sa Pilipinas at gulay. But, kung titignan natin dito guys, dapat medyo baliktad sila ng kanin sa sistema ngayon ng food pyramid. So, ayan siya. This is a really nice vision na pwedeng ipakita kasi it's easy to remember din, di ba? So, ano yan sa 9-inch nyo na plato, ito yung mga dapat mong makita doon. So, I will also tell you kung ilan dapat gramo a day ang kailangan natin makonsume in terms of protein and fiber. Now, let's recap for our Filipino food needs. Number 1, we need to focus more on fiber, insoluble and soluble. Kailangan natin yan. And how much, Abby? 25 to 35 grams of fiber at least every day. Now, get real food. Bakit? Yung mga madaling mapanis, yan ha, talagang kailangan natin i-mention yon. Anything that easy to rot, which is mga food na nanggagaling sa palengke, yun yung mas good sa gut natin. Bakit? It ferments very well and it gets out easily. Kasi wala na siyang mga super additives. It's simple. Wala nang mga sobrang daming ingredients. Yun na yun siya talaga in its purest form. Now, protein it up. Kung hindi ka masyadong magalaw sa isang araw, you should ita-times mo sa body weight mo yung ganitong formula. So, kung sedentary ka, like hindi ka masyadong active or hindi ka masyadong nakaka-workout, ganyan, 0.8 grams times kung ilan yung iyong body weight, yun dapat yung daily intake natin. Pero like, if you are masipag mag-workout, talagang nagagamit mo yung muscles mo or nagba-bodybuild ka, it's 2.2 grams times your body weight and yun yung dapat intake mo. Okay? So very simple that we can remember 0.8 or 2.2, or sometimes you can do 35 grams at least per meal para mahati mo yun within the day naman yun. So hindi naman siya isang bagsakan lang na yun yung kakainin mong protein, no? So now that we learned about how to eat and the portion that we need to consider, let's talk about the deep need in our body and what we are experiencing. So ito na yung panimula ko kanina, that some of the signs, kahit na hindi ka pa rin na-check up, makikita mo na o nararamdaman mo. Dahil maraming tao ngayon na nararamdaman nila na medyo low yung energy nila when it comes to their work, baka akala high stress lang, pero grabe na yung migraine, grabe na rin yung acne, grabe na yung belly fat, tired ka after meals, so antok ka na kaagad sa mga kababaihan, nagkakaroon na ng PCOS. And madalas fatty liver. So, meron din dyan, hindi ka pa diabetic, pero ang dami mo ng skin tag. So, kahit na ipatanggal mo siya, bumabalik siya at bumabalik. So, sa mga lalaki, decreased testosterone and low muscle tone, gout, low thyroid, and ito pa, usong-uso to sa kababaihan. Grabe na yung cravings. As in, parang uncontrollable na siya na parang, paano ba ako makakatipid? Pero grabe talaga yung cravings ko. So, isa na yun sa problema na ang tinatawag natin ay insulin resistance. So, nangyayari ang insulin resistance when we have high carb diet. Remember again of the food pyramid from 1990s? High carb diet, yung pinakamalaki sa baba. And ang nangyayari doon, as time goes by na, yun yung kinakain natin. At syempre, yung mga seed oils and the like. Ang nangyayari, si insulin, si pancreas, nagre-release siya ng insulin. So, paulit-ulit yun every time we eat. Now, cells developed a resistance to insulin dahil nga, parang na-overload na ba siya? Dahil nga, high carb, magiging energy dapat siya. However, sa sobrang dami na, at like, example, 3 to 4 times a day tayo kumakain nun, overload. Now, what happens is, nagiging resistant siya o nagiging manhid na siya, and miski mag-burn siya to work that for you as your energy, the body gets stuck in storage mode. So, saan niya yan sinustore? Sa mga fatty areas mo. So, kung napapansin mo, pabilog ka na, dito, sa tiyan mo, sa legs mo, yun. And sometimes, it shows kahit napayat ka. Through your, sa blood naman, and yun nga, pag naging fatty liver na siya. Ang resulta nun, na paulit-ulit na ganyan, is we feel tired and hungry all the time before it becomes a bigger problem. Now, ito yung nangyayari din no sa case natin ngayon. When we go to a doctor and have our check-up, sometimes ang nangyayari, hindi na tayo natatanong, saan ba 'to nangyari? Ano ba yung pinagsimulan? Ano ba yung diet mo 5 years ago? Wala. Ang nangyayari, dun lang sila sa sintomas and then bibigyan ka lang ng gamot and it never stops. Or minsan nga, sasabihin, maintenance na, tapos hindi na mawawala. But, ito na yung naging krisis ng Pilipino. Kasi yun na yung paulit-ulit na nangyayari. Ito na yung nagiging diet natin. Ito yung kinalakihan din natin. So, dun tayo nasanay. Krisis na ngayon ang pagiging overweight dahil sa Pilipinas, 40% na ang obese. Now, kahit na sa babae at lalaki, 1 out of 3 carry dangerous belly fat that leads to almost any heart disease. Now, kahit na nag-coaching program ka na, and fitness tracker ka, nag-try ka na rin ng mga other diets, bakit sa tingin mo medyo mabagal? Or parang walang, sa sobrang tagal, parang walang nangyayari, parang yung body mo hindi na nakikipag-cooperate. Diba? And we are getting sicker and sicker than ever. Ngayon, that's why we have discovered this Feel Great system. And I would be glad to introduce to you a nurse and a chef, which is syempre food. Food na nga, and nurse pa, which is in the healthcare. So, Miss Zaira will discuss it more to us. Zai.
So hello everyone, good evening. My name is Zaira. Just a short background. I am a registered nurse by profession, but my passion is more into the kitchen. I'm a pastry chef, and actually I am also the regional pastry chef of Nestle Philippines, and I have my personal events. We do cocktails, we do dessert every wedding. Yun yung life ko. So nandun ako sa gitna, more into wellness, and at the same time, alam mo, yung food, di ba, yung pagkain. Siguro, everyone, or hindi pa ba familiar with the Feel Great System or FGS, we'll talk about it. Next, mom, yung slide. Feel Great System is a 2 simple food-based products backed by decades of science. Aside from backed up by science, clinical studies, and backed up by researches. Products proven that in more than 20 clinical studies, one of which is the Cleveland Clinic, the University of Sydney, the UNLV, and then the Columbia University in the city of New York. If you know that Cleveland Clinic in the US is the #1 heart hospital in the world. So given na may mga clinical studies siya mismo from Cleveland Clinic, is really proven and tested safe. Next, mom. Yeah. They're naturally safe and free from side effects. And most importantly, it target the root cause. So, hindi lang minamanage yung symptoms, but also talagang tinitira niya yung insulin resistance. So, kung na-mention ni Ma'am si Abby kanina, baka check nyo sa self nyo or may kilala kayong mga tao na merong mga signs of insulin resistance, di ba yung kanina? Like, yung akala lang natin, ordinary skin tags. Tapos magpapaderma, patatanggalin. Tapos after a while, ayan na naman, meron na naman. Tapos yung akala mong libag lang sa leeg na black-black, no, hindi yun siya typical libag. It's sign of it's sign of insulin resistance. Pati yung sa mga hands, yung mga may mga dark, so signs of insulin resistance, migraines. So, akala lang natin simple headache, tapos nagiging recurring migraine. So, signs of insulin resistance. So, sige. Next, mom. And then, without the system, 'di ba? Parang most meals today cause insulin and glucose spikes. So, kung makikita ninyo dito sa graph na ginawa ni Ma'am si Abby, so ito yung color blue, that's the graph ng insulin, 'di ba? So up, down, up, down. And then ito yung glucose, yung red. So pag kumain ka ng burger, yung glucose akyat. Tapos crash, baba. Tapos kakain ka ng pizza, akyat na naman siya, tapos down. So nagiging ganun lang siya, parang roller coaster ride. 'Di ba? So, yun. So, ito yung nakakatakot. Hindi natin alam that because of the up and down of glucose and insulin, that leads to fat storage, cravings, and long-term damage. So, dito sa graph, di ba, yung roller coaster ng up and down ng glucose, meron ka, di ba, na-feel ninyo kahit kumain kayo after 2 hours, mag-crave na naman kayo. Tapos, nagka-crash yung energy. So, you'll drink another cup of coffee or kakain na naman. So, anong nangyayari? 'Di ba nagiging fat storage mode kayo. So, kaya kayo tumataba. Yes. Then, next, mom. Next slide, please. Yeah. So, with this system, the Feel Great system, your insulin and glucose stay under control. Ito, naturally. So, ito, di ba yung kanina, yung graph, di ba? Parang roller coaster ride. Ngayon, with the help of the system, so with the two products, tingnan mo yung insulin. Diba? Like, yung flow niya, hindi yung may sudden crash. Parang slow lang yung slow lang yung movement nung nasa graph ng insulin and glucose. So, ito yung si insulin, yung color blue. When you do your fasting, so magiging ganyan yung graph. And then also your glucose, mas stable compared sa before. So, with the products, it helps you na you have no cravings and sustain energy. Tapos, it makes you in a fat burning mode. Di ba kanina, fat storage mode yon because of the crashes. So, with the system, nagiging fat burning, na-activate yung fat burning mode ninyo. So, that means more fat burning, fewer cravings, and then, of course, steady energy all day long. So, we have the two products, di ba? Na-mention namin kanina, we have the two products because Feel Great system has two products and one protocol only. So we have the Unimate, which is a purified and concentrated extract of yerba mate. So if you ask me, if you remember Pope Francis, yung laging niyang bit na parang iniinom, that is yerba mate. He calls that one his beloved beverage. And also, kung familiar kay matcha, matcha is from Japan. Si Unemate naman is from Argentina. So si Unemate is naturally flavored, zero sugar added, natural caffeine, ultra concentrated yerba mate, and vegan friendly, plus kosher, halal, and FDA approved. At ito pa, hindi lang siya FDA approved in the Philippines. It is also FDA approved worldwide kasi yung products available in 62 countries worldwide. Yes. So, we take it in the morning. So, we skip breakfast. So, yun yung protocol namin. We skip breakfast. We just take the tea, hot or cold. We take it in the morning to calm hunger and keep a clear, focused mind. So, after that one, yun yung mate, yun yung favorite part ko. It boosts energy without any artificial caffeine. So, para kayong nakapag 2 cups of coffee or nakapag-energy drink kayo. But this one tea is natural and plant-based. So, di ba, hindi kayo matatakot. At yung pinaka-favorite ko, kung tatanungin ninyo, Unimate helps your body increase its own GLP-1 naturally. When we say GLP-1, it means glucagon-like peptide 1. So, it increases your GLP-1 naturally with 60%. So, ngayon, if alam ninyo, si GLP-1 is nire-release ng hormone natin sa gut yan after natin kumain. So, si GLP-1 is, pag nirelease siya after eating, si brain natin, parang ang effect kay brain, pancreas, and stomach, first of all, kay brain, yung feeling ng fullness. Second is, nagre-reduce ng appetite. Nagsusuppress ng inflammation and nagsisignal kay brain na, uy, brain, tama na kasi busog na ako. Tapos kay pancreas naman, si GLP-1, siya yung nagsistimulate ng insulin release. Therefore, nare-regulate yung blood sugar. So, machi-check ninyo, nare-regulate or nagpe-prevent na glucose spike because of GLP-1. And last, sa stomach naman, ini-slow ni GLP-1 ang gastric movement and emptying. Therefore, yung feeling nyo busog. So, yun yung effect ni GLP-1. Tapos, ine-enhance din ni GLP-1 ng ang body natin ng energy consumption. Therefore, yun yung reason bakit nagdi-decrease yung body weight natin. So, GLP-1 is a gut hormone na yun nga, sa brain nagko-control ng cravings, sa stomach keeps you full longer, and then supports healthy glucose control. So, kung marinig ninyo, if familiar, di ba, like sa black market, sa TikTok, millions are injecting GLP-1 drugs to mimic this pathway. Narinig nyo na ba si Ozempic, si Mounjaro, si Tirza? So, if aware kayo niyan, yan yon, minimimic nila. Pero tayo, naturally. So, natural alternative tayo with Ozempic. Si Ozempic naman is inject. So, si Ozempic is causing serious and potentially irreversible side effects. Diba sa news, ang daming lawsuits, naglalabasan yung mga side effect ni Ozempic. Example, normal is stomach paralysis, next is yung wrinkles, and then yung sunken eyes. Isa yan sa mga example ng long-term effects ni Ozempic or yung mga inject. Meron akong na-encounter ang sa kanya nag-blurred yung vision niya. So, tsaka stomach paralysis, parang dalawa na sila. So, medyo kinda alarming siya. Yeah. We take a food-first approach that supports the same pathway from within. So, yung ginagawa ng inject, sa kanila kasi, di ba, synthetic yon. So, sa atin, it's natural. All natural, all plant-based. So, after Unimate, di ba sabi ko, 2 products, 1 protocol. So, first is Unimate, then we pair it with our favorite special fiber matrix, which is BioLife S. So, BioLife S is an advanced fiber nutrient blend. So, it's naturally flavored, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, kosher, halal, FDA approved. And FDA approved worldwide kasi available siya din in 62 countries worldwide. And if you ask me, si fiber, if you have heard of psyllium and metamucil, so yung fiber nila is one kind of fiber. With our very own special fiber matrix, we have 7 soluble and insoluble fiber blend. So, you take it before meals to slow glucose absorption by up to 40%. So, there is a study, continuous glucose monitor study. So, dito sa graph, if merong kasing, merong study made na yung dalawang team nag-consume ng 2 egg waffles, then 2 tablespoons of syrup, and then 10 ounce of orange juice. So, Team A, Team B. Yung Team A and then yung Team B na before kumain, nag-drink ng fiber matrix. So, if you take a look at the graph, so, ma'am, baka pwede natin ma-move to the side. Merong color yellow and blue. So, ang yellow is hindi uminom ng fiber before kinain yung waffles, yung ininom yung orange juice with the syrup. So nakita nyo yung flow ng glucose nila kung gaano kataas compared sa blue, which is or uminom ng fiber natin before kumain. So yan yung comparison nilang dalawa. So dito sa right graph, merong yellow, yun yung hindi nakainom, and the blue one, yun yung nakainom ng fiber matrix. So, the result, no bloating, no sleepiness, and no sugar cravings after meals. So, di ba, kung narinig ninyo, meron tayong pig syndrome. So, after kumain, di ba, inaantok, pagod, ganon. So, hindi pala yun pig syndrome. Oh, there's no such thing as pig syndrome. That's called insulin resistance. So, your body is whispering you that it's not normal, that something is not right. So, yes. It also supports healthy cholesterol, triglycerides, and cardiovascular function. So, which makes it the perfect solution for surviving today's modern food environment. 'Di ba? Kasi yung food environment natin talaga ngayon, masyado siya alarming. Masarap lahat,
And
pero
engineered. And
hindi maganda
engineered.
sa katawan. Yeah, masarap siya, yes, but alam mo yon, tinitake out nila yung mga nutrients to make it masarap sa panlasa. So,
Yeah.
which it makes,
And tayo nurse, Zaire, ano,
yeah.
if we could compare it to our age, talagang yung before,
Yeah.
yung edad natin ng mga 30 plus ngayon, mas mukha tayong older than yung mga
Yes.
60s na. So, there's really a
Yeah.
problem with the sugar thing
Yeah.
here.
Like, I remember growing up, yung mga heart attack, nung bata pa ako, 50s, 60s. Ngayon, medyo alarming kasi I have known someone heart attack 20s. Diba? Yung rising CKD ngayon, it's very alarming. Kasi kahit mga teens, meron na. So that explains how our food nowadays are being prepared. So without dieting, meal plans, or calorie counting, these products are backed up by real science. So tatanungin nyo, how are you sure na back up siya by real science? So meron kaming link isi-send sa message. Moms, baka ma-post mo yung unicity.science.org. Nandun yung mga clinical studies natin. So para back up talaga siya ng real science. So one of this is, in fact, a study done at the #1 heart hospital, yung minention ko a while ago, which is the Cleveland Clinic. So, yeah, merong clinical study about the continuous taking in of fiber. Kung ano yung nagiging result niya sa katawan natin, especially sa heart. Paano siya nagiging very beneficial para sa Oo. So, yun. And then, yeah. Ito pa, we are very proud to say that the two products, the Unimate and the fiber, which is Bios Life S, are listed in the prescriber's digital reference, or PDR. This is the gold standard reference book for pharmaceutical drugs. So sa US, ito yung parang Bible of doctors to prescribe. So meaning, since it is a gold standard, 'di ba? Reference book ng mga doctors. So, ibig sabihin, dumaan siya sa matinding pag-aaral bago na-list doon sa libro. So, meaning proven and tested very, very safe. So, we are the only company in the world with the 2 natural products listed. Yeah. That directly addresses insulin resistance. Sa US, si Bios, ang pangalan niya is Balance. Sa atin sa Philippines and Southeast Asia, we call it Balance. Pag sa Middle East, we call it Slim, but it's just the same thing. Yeah. Yung pangalan lang iba. But the Unimate is Unimate all over the world. Yun, isang name lang. So meaning that this
Naka-trademark
system,
siya.
yes, that this system isn't just another supplement. It is proven, credible, and recognized at the highest level of healthcare. So, hindi lang talaga siya just another supplement. Hindi rin din siya putyo-putyo lang. So, talagang nasa highest level of ano talaga siya, healthcare. So, all of these benefits for only 315 pesos a day. So, imagine, i-think ninyo, 'di ba parang isang Grab lang natin 'to, 'di ba? Parang isang Food Panda lang natin 'to. Minsan nga 'di ba parang 400 lang, 500. You go to Starbucks, you order coffee, 200. So hindi ka naman pwede coffee lang, syempre order ka ng pastry. So mahina talaga 500 pesos mo, right? Pero ito, 315 pesos a day, and you invest on yourself and you invest also to your health. Yes. So you cut unnecessary calories and impulsive snacking. Ito talagang nakita naming benefits with Feel Great System. Yeah, pricey. Pero guys, you have to think of it. You only have one body. Your only body, isa lang, who have been serving you for how many years? I think, di ba, your body deserves some care din naman talaga. Kasi, di ba, I mean, ilang taon na ba siya nagsiserve sa'yo? So, yes. And this product come with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Ito pa, can you think of a company na nag-offer sa'yo ng money-back guarantee? Like, for example, we buy iPhone. How, di ba, ilang thousand? Like, 50,000, 60, 80, 90. Pero do they offer 90-day money-back guarantee or money-back guarantee? So come to think of it. So if they are very secure sa products nila, 'di ba? So ganun sila ka-secure na the products really work kasi nag-offer sila ng money-back guarantee. 'Di ba? So that means literally there's no risk in trying them. 'Di ba? Wala namang mawawala sa inyo. And the products are helping people with life-changing results. Not only here in the Philippines, but globally. Kasi di ba yung products is available worldwide. So this is, konti lang sila actually, pero thousands of lives have been changed, including mine, including Ma'am Shi Abby, and also si Miss Sheila. So you will hear them later on. So yeah, Feel Great
Yeah.
System works.
Thank you,
Yes.
nurse. So, thank you so much. So, as you can see, bakit, Abby, ano yan? Wala bang Pinoy dyan? Actually, nandyan si Mommy Jelly who reversed her diabetes. Andito si Sheila Gungon. Tignan nyo naman. From malaki na siya, pumayat siya. But guys, let me that this protocol is not a weight loss program. As you can see, yung binabanggit ni Chef Zaira is the inflammation, yung health niya na kumakain tayo without any food restriction, without dieting, wala na tayong meal plan. Kasi nababalik niya yung natural na gut flora natin na help sa ating body. Ano po yun? Ako yan. Oh. Alright. Then, since, baka kwento lang naman, di ba? But, this one is Nicole, who suffered from her high cholesterol. But look, fit naman siya. Yes, she's really a gym rat. And hindi niya alam na meron siyang problema. Parang hindi niya naman pinagsasabi na talaga may problema siya sa cholesterol niya. So walang nakakaalam. Pero like as you can see, fit siya. Wala naman siya mga pimples. May abs siya. 3 to 4 times a week nasa gym siya. Kasi yun ang work niya. To be beautiful for her job. But si Crystal shared to her this protocol and then wala ring alam si Crystal na meron siyang problema when it comes to her high cholesterol. She tried the product 2024 and within 3 weeks, saktong magpapa-general check-up siya, this happened. Gumalaw ang baso, guys. 'Di ba? From 5 down to 4.37. And that's really a big leap, no? Because she felt better, she felt lighter. Hindi naman siya talagang kitang-kitang ganyan, but her inflammation went down because medyo naging puffy siya, pero very, very konti lang. And not just that. Baka yan lang yun. High cholesterol lang ba yan, Abby? Hindi rin po. This is Joy, our friend, who, noong June 5, 2024, is suffering already from pre-diabetes. And after 4 months, October 15, 2024, bumaba na po to normal range ang kanyang HbA1c. That means the product is really working with our bodies and not against it. Now, may I call on Mommy Sheila Tuanyo, and siya ay nakakatuwa dahil business owner siya, health and wellness advocate, mompreneur. Pag sinabi mompreneur, ano to ang dynamic kasi nanay ka na pagsasabay mong may negosyo ka. She is a computer programmer and a network builder. And of course, ito pa yung naaaliw nga kay Mommy Sheila. Kasi asawa siya ng doktor and she had been in the protocol for almost a year na ba, Mi? Or a year na?
Yes, 14 months.
Oo. So, ang kanyang doctor, 14 months, is a U.S. Integrative Medical Iridologist under American Association of Drugless Practitioner. So, coming from her wife, let us hear the testimony of Mami Sheila. Nakitang-kita naman sa camera and even sa picture, same shirt, 80 kilograms down to 54. Take it over, Mami Sheila.
Hi mga best. So usually bestie talaga, 'di ba? Sa mga video ko makikita niyo 'yan. So dito mga tita, okay? So good evening. So ako po ay isang mom entrepreneur, so meaning I have 3 kids. Masarap kasi 'yun, no? You're doing business at the same time naaalagaan mo rin yung mga kids mo. Makikita mo silang lumaki. And so nag-start ako with FGS last February 2025, last year. From 80 kilos, tingnan nyo po, makikita nyo po talaga, parang magkaibang tao po yung nasa picture. Diba? Meron pa akong pasayaw niyan, kasi marami akong TikTok videos talaga, alam ni Mami Abby yan. So talagang yung chan ko, talagang bulging. So kahit ako natatawa na lang ako sa mga old photos ko, kasi talagang hindi ko akalain na napabayaan ko siya, no? Hindi ko na na mali na pala yung habits na ginagawa ko everyday. Since you have all the time din para kumain. Pag may meeting, Starbucks, ganyan. Pag may meeting ulit, kain na naman. So, yung habits talaga ng pagkain is malaking part sa ating wellness, no? So, nung nakilala ko to sa isang mommy's group, talagang inaral ko rin kasi talagang health advocate din ako, wellness advocate. So pag maganda yung produkto, talagang gustong-gusto ko yan. Kasi lalo na back up with science, wala nang tanong-tanong yan. So nag-purchase ako, hindi isa, hindi dalawa, kundi distributor agad-agad. Ha? Ganun ako ka-risk taker, ganun ako naniniwala sa produkto. So I get the distributor package, 5 packages agad-agad. Since ako ay gagamit at ang aking husband. So yung husband ko naman talaga is isa sa reason. Even he's a doctor, no? Like si Tita Zara na nurse na kasama natin, no? Na medical din. So kailangan din nila yun. They are still human na kailangan din talaga nilang alagaan. Kung nag-aalaga sila ng ibang tao, kailangan din nilang alagaan yung sarili nila. Minsan hindi nila yun nakikita. So nagkaroon ako ng realization sa husband ko nung nakita ko siya talagang naghihilik ng sobrang lakas na to the point na nalalagutan na ng hininga. Doon ako natatakot pag wala na akong naririnig, pag naghihilik siya. So isa siya sa reason kaya gusto kong itry talaga yung FGS. So sleep apnea ang sa kanya. So nakita ko yon, nagrereklamo siya sa akin na meron siyang palpitation. Minsan nakikita ko nagda-drive siya, nakahawak siya sa dibdib niya. Pero hindi siya umiinda, pero alam kong there's something wrong. There's something wrong talaga. So doon nag-start, bumili ako, tag-isa kami, since madalas siya nasa China siya lagi. So pinadalhan ko siya doon, sabay kaming iniinom. Ako nandito sa Philippines, sabay kami. Nag-shake every day, remind ko siya every day. Since doctor, minsan, diba, hindi naman agad-agad talagang maniniwala. Diba? Talagang magkakaroon ng doubt. At isa siya doon. Pero inaral niya rin, syempre, hindi rin naman siya talaga tumigil sa inaral niya din. And sa ganda ng company, which is 100 years, talagang napatunayan namin na ang ganda ng produkto. Kasi ako, I'm the living proof na talagang kahit walang exercise, walang diet, pumayat ng 26 kilos. I have no time para mag-exercise po. Kasi I'm so busy. I have 18 years old daughter. I have 16 years old kuya and a pandemic baby 4 years old, which is may special needs kasi siya, may speech delay siya. Wala po talaga akong time mag-exercise at mag-diet. So napakaganda ng produkto na talagang nakilala ko yung tea and fiber. Isinabay ko lang siya sa everyday routine ko. Binago ko lang, hindi lang ako nag-breakfast. Ang lagi kong iniinom is yung tea, which is really I love kasi hindi ko lang siya isang beses iniinom even sa afternoon kasi iba talaga yung energy na binibigay niya. So favorite ko talaga yung tea. Kung dati milk tea ang favorite ko, ngayon specialty na natin ng FGS, no? So talaga nakita ko yung pagbabago sa husband ko, 15 kilos trim down without doing any exercise, without dieting. Na-enjoy namin yung food. Ayun yung pinakamaganda. Na-enjoy mo yung food, hindi ka na-deprive. Hindi mo kailangan bilangin, sukatin, or kung ano pa man, di ba? Mga 40, alam natin yan. Nag-start ng sumakit ang mga
You take the
nagkakaroon ng mga
protocol.
maintenance, di ba? So this is the
Correct.
perfect
Ikaw ba
para
umabot ka sa point na meron kang maintenance?
Ang kagandahan
Or
lang
wala
talaga
pa?
sa akin, wala kaming maintenance since more than a decade na talaga kaming hindi umiinom ng synthetic drugs. So more on
Galing.
pro-natural talaga ng husband ko.
Correct. Tapos
So, yun
naipasok pa
talaga
ito.
yung
So how do you
Yes,
use it
ganda,
in a
sobra.
day? This protocol, how do
Actually,
you use it in a day?
So maaga akong gigising since may pasok yung mga anak ko, no? So in the morning talaga, tea talaga ako. My favorite is the ginger, the lemon ginger. Ever since nag-start ako lemon ginger because ginger has inflammatory effect yan. So talagang yun yung pas pinili kong flavor compare sa lemon. Tsaka mas may tapang siya. Iba yung kick niya talaga. So I love
Correct.
lemon ginger. No? Tapos, pag sa before lunch, minsan kasi ang lunch ko hindi na talaga 12, minsan 2 na, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, napapahaba yung fasting kasi hindi ka pa nagugutom because of the tea na ininom mo in the morning. So mas natulungan niya yung katawan natin in a fat burning mode, which is very good,
Correct.
'di ba? Kasi imagine mo yung 80 kilos ko, tingnan niyo naman yung tiyan ko dyan, hindi ako nag-exercise pero na-trim down.
Exactly.
Talagang hindi ako nag-exercise pa niyan ha.
Wala
Wala pa akong time
wala
para
ka pa palang
mag-pilates.
exercise niyan.
Walang ganun. Wala pa akong exercise. Gusto kong mag-exercise. Gusto kong mag-dance lesson. Gusto ko lahat yan. Pero wala pa talaga akong time. So okay na ako sa tea
Correct.
and fiber. 'Di ba? So minsan,
Wow.
nararamdaman din natin yung parang nagpa-plateau na tayo, 'di ba? Na-experience ko rin naman 'yon na nag-plateau yung aking Pero nitong Lenten season, since part ng aking na rin panata, nag 3-day fasting ako. Imagine 3 days just the tea and water. Just the tea and water, ha? Hindi ako nagutom, hindi ako
Amazing.
nahilo, hindi ako talagang nangatog, at ako pa nagpe-prepare ng food ng kids. Hindi ako hindi rin talaga ako yung na-tempt na kumain. Minsan dinadala ko pa sila sa fast food chain. Kahit
Because of
naaamoy mo yun.
GLP-1.
Because
Diba?
of the
Yan yung effect ni
GLP-1.
GLP-1.
Ang galing niya talaga. So, tea and fiber in 3 days, yun lang. At nag-trim down ako from 57 to 54. So, sa mga gusto talagang nag-plateau na dyan, try to fast longer. It really helps. Saka ang na-experience ko everyday, pansin ko, first day, second day, third day na fasting ko, parang the usual lang na
Oo.
ginagawa ko everyday. Hindi talaga.
Correct.
Parang yung normal routine lang.
Yeah.
So parang nabitin pa nga ako sa 3 days, parang sa susunod baka gawin ko 5 to
Sobrang
7.
nakakagaan, no, ng pakiramdam.
Actually, to
sobrang
add on, to add on dun kasi siya, Tita Sheila, ang benefits kasi ni fasting, kaya hinihit natin yung protocol na 16 hours fasting.
Yes.
Because after 16 hours, yung katawan natin nag-undergo sa autophagy. We call that one in
Yeah.
science
Exactly.
autophagy. So, what
Yes.
does autophagy does in your body? Yun kasi yung maganda because yung katawan natin, meron siyang parang may
Reserba.
automatic na kini-clean niya yung mga cells
True.
ng katawan natin ng repairs,
Super
ganon.
true.
And
Renewal of
yun,
cells.
dun ko talaga, dun ako na-amaze kasi ito pala yung reason that when we fast, namamatay yung mga cells natin. Dapat
Tama.
talagang mamatay sila kasi if hindi pala sila namamatay, yun yung nagkukos sa atin ng mga sakit at inflammations kasi wala
Oh,
silang natural
correct.
death. So
Yeah,
that's why we
Kaya
do
nga.
fasting. Yes. And
Kumbaga
Yeah.
kasi,
the
Kaya
kasi
longer
natin
in
the
our
fast,
case, binubusog natin sila
fasting.
ng binubusog. Oo, no?
oo,
True.
So, thank
binubusog
you,
ng
Mami Sheila.
binubusog, kaya hindi sila namamatay naturally. So, yung effect
Correct.
nun, doon pumapasok yung mga chronic diseases, mga
True.
inflammations, nandun na lahat.
Yes.
Yes. Fasting with the tea, of course. Yan. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you, Mami Sheila, for the testimony. And grabe, kahit natitignan nga lang namin yan, no? Kasi guys,
Diba?
nakilala ko si Mami Sheila kasi
Parang naputol si
ay,
Ma'am
tapos
Shiabi.
biglang, ayan na siya.
Ayan.
So sabi ko, happy feel ko talaga yon. Then we get to meet and we get to be like partners in this business as well. And not just
Yes.
that. Kaya we do this because we wanna reach more lives to help. Again, asawa siya ng
True.
doktor. Skeptic din nung una, pero ngayon,
Yes.
sa total believer na because
Yes.
ang mga doktor talagang gusto nila, it has studies, it had been proven,
Yes.
and talagang
With clinical
credible din
studies,
ang
research.
company.
Clinical studies, walang
Yes.
tanong talaga pag we
Yes.
So,
clinical
And also, pag
si T and
nalaman na listed
Fiber,
sa PDR,
all
yun na
check
yun.
tayo
Yeah.
dyan. So, baka
Check,
guys, kasi
check.
merong nanonood sa atin live na nagsabi sila 16 hours fasting, 20 hours, nakatatlong araw ng tea. Ano ba yun? Kaya ba yun?
Yes.
So guys, papakita ko lang sa
Mhm.
inyo yung product. This is the tea and fiber na sinasabi namin. Sorry, ibang flavor lang to.
Yeah,
So
I
this is
have
the
one,
tea.
yung lemon.
Ayan. So
Ito na.
papakita din ni Mami Sheila yung other.
Yes.
So this is
Yan.
the tea and the fiber that we are taking. So guys, yung tea na ito na tinitake namin, wala ka na pong iisipin with regards to fasting. Again, as we've stated, it goes with your body and not against it. So eventually,
Yes.
magugulat ka na lang, kaya ko na palang mag-fasting ng 14 hours. Kaya palang hindi lamon ng lamon. O, di ba? Yun siya. Now,
Mhm.
dahil dyan, syempre, hindi rin naman ako papakabog dyan, Mami Sheila. Di ba? Guys, basically, this is my story. So I'm a breastfeeding counselor. I'm also a mom and an entrepreneur. So talagang kayoda ang person, di ba? Mahilig kumayod ang babae. But 2024 was my sickest year. So basically, nagkasabay-sabay yung sciatica, gout ko, PCOS, lahat-lahat yon. So April, May, na-diagnose na ako ng sciatica because hirap akong tumayo. Like parang 5 minutes bago ako tumayo. It came to a point na malapit na akong mag-lead to paralyzation dahil talagang naipit na yung vein. So yan yung itsura ko, guys. Then, come August 2024, ayan siya mismo kasi a week after that, nag-travel na kami for general check-up. And then, doon na ako na-diagnose ng adenomyosis. So sinabi ko, parang meron ngang kakaiba na dito. So I think it's really the food that I take. And I'm a cosmetic science formulator student. So I work with natural ingredients. So before I joined the protocol, talagang nakapitong session pa ako na ganito, guys. Nakapitong session pa ako na ganito para makinig, aralin. Kasi hindi rin siya basta-basta. Sabi ni Chef Nurse Zaira kanina, oo, mahal siya. Pero it cut out the unnecessary buying of things. Pag every 2 hours kang gumagastos, pagka check mo ng budget mo sa isang araw, 800 na pala yung nagastos ko today. Pero parang hindi pa rin ako busog. So basically, yun yung nangyari sa akin. Yung cravings ko were super high. Kahit mabait ako sa pagkain na I love. I love eating na natural. I love mga ganyan. Pero bakit parang may mali pa rin sa katawan ko? So came 8 months. Ito guys ang resulta ng aking medical result. So nakikita nyo, meron akong PCOS and meron din akong diffuse adenomyosis. That was August 2024. But bumalik ako ng 2025 after 8 months with all that inflammation down. You can see what happened. Normal na ang uterus ko. Wala. Yung check-up ko na nakakatroma sa Makati Med nung time na August 2024. Guys, 6 pa yun. May mga intern pa sila. Tinitignan pa talaga nila kung ang tagal. Nung chinek up ako nung June, yun na yun, Dok. Kasi kahit ikaw na nakita mo yung comparison na, hala, oo nga, malinis siya. Tapos sabi ko, Dok, wala na talaga. Ang nakakapagtaka din, guys, syempre sinabi ni Doc Picos, magpapayat ka. Pero wala naman din pong sinabi na paano nga po, Dok, magpapayat. So
Yeah.
ako to na desidido talaga ako kasi mabigat din yung hinihingal kapag hinahabol mo yung anak mo. So napapansin niyo yan sa stories ko na nagpo-push cart kami, ganyan-ganyan. Dati hinihingal talaga kami. Like 10-15 steps lang or konting hakbang, mga 10 palapag 10 steps pa lang. So hindi siya nakakatuwa knowing na your child is still a toddler. 'Di ba? So parang ikaw sa sarili mo, hindi ito okay. Ayokong ganito yung kalakihan ako ng anak ko. 'Di ba? So nagulat din ako, nagkagulatan din kami ng OB ko na, "Sure yan, Doc?" Sabi niya, "Yeah." Sabi niya, "Balik ka lang para laging updated ganyan." Pero like it's really a joy for me to see myself healing naturally. Walang damot kasi sinabi ko rin sa kanya, "Doc, ipagkain muna natin." Pumayag naman. Nagulat din siya. So, inabutan ko siya ngayon. Sabi ko, Doc, pag may mga gusto ma-preggy, at ano natin to. And in my team, 6 na kaagad yung nabuntis within 1
Yeah.
year and something. Because,
Meron din ako, 3. 3
di
of my
ba, it
friends,
goes,
38
goes,
years old na buntis.
see,
Yeah,
it
because of
goes with our
FGS.
body and not against it. That's why natin nagre-respond. Miski i-let go niya yung baby, talaga ngayon, mas inaano niya na, mas inaalagaan niya na. Kasi nga, sino ba namang hindi magle-let go ng baby kung naka-fight mode ang katawan natin? 'Di ba? So yun guys, we will be open to more questions. Thank you for listening. And this is what I believe. When you choose it means choosing life. And when you choose life means choosing healing because we only have one body and that one body works for us 24/7. So baka may
Yes.
questions kayo guys. Thank you for making time to be with us, but we are free to answer your questions regarding kung ano man yung gusto nyong tanungin. Pwede ba to pang babae? Pwede ba to pang lalaki? As mentioned ni Ma'am Sheila, yes, gamit din ng asawa niya, gamit din ng asawa ko. So, baka may question kayo,
Gamit din
feel
ng
free.
papa ko. Gamit din ng
Ayun,
papa ko.
ang papa ni Chef Zaira ay ilang taon po?
Yeah, nung nag-retire siya 2 years ago, kasi nagbabarko siya, so very particular siya sa health niya. Pero since nag-retire siya 2 years ago, nag-spike up yung cholesterol niya. So yung dad ko is very particular sa cholesterol niya. So ginawa niya lahat na exercise, grabe sa food, very particular. Ang dumating sa point, nag-oatmeal na nga lang siya. And then, super duper intense exercise para mapababa. Pero disappointing kasi every time we take his check-up, yung laboratories niya laging mataas. So, last year, parang pagbalik niya kay doc, sabi nung doc, prescribe of course ng statin. And then, pag uwi niya, sabi ko pa, wag muna. Sabi ko, kasi kung kaya nga niya mapatanggal ako sa 5 kinds of BP meds, try natin sa'yo. Sabi ko, although 1 month siya, pero sabi kasi niya, try daw namin 15 days lang kasi pinapabalik nga siya ng doctor niya at that time. So ngayon, go siya sa system. 2 products, 1 practice. In 1 week, just 7 days, nakalose siya ng 3 kilos. So, sa system, mas mabilis talaga pumayat yung mga lalaki. Kasi tayong mga babae may hormones. That's normal. So, 3 kilos in 7 days. And then, 15 days after, repeat lab siya. So, follow lang siya. Wala siyang ginawang changes sa lifestyle niya. Lahat kinakain niya. The day before sa repeat lab niya after 15 days, kumain pa siya sa kapitbahay ng lechon. Tas, of course, di ba, mga lalaki, nag-inuman. So, pag uwi niya ng bahay, galit na galit ako. Sabi ko, pa, bakit ka kumain ng lechon? Bukas magte-take ka ng ng repeat lab, tas uminom ka pa. Siyempre, di ba, ang beer emulsifier. So, cholesterol up. Ganon. So, naku, hindi kinakabahan na siya. So, the next day, umuwi siya. Tapos na-find out namin na normal yung cholesterol niya in 15 days ha, na 2 years na niya wina-workout. So, sabi ko, what more kung hindi ka kumain ng lechon the night before and uminom. So, parang dun ako, isang reason na napa-amaze ako with Feel Great system. So, isa yun sa reason. Aside sa my own personal testimonial din. And then, yung sa dad ko. Yes.
Ang galing na nakakatuwa na at least at some point, no, we get to have normal life in this
Yes.
hindi na normal na sistema ng pagkain. And also, we get to have the joy din, di ba, of alam mo yun, na gumagaling ka from the inside out. It doesn't permit us to live unhealthy, but as you go
Yeah.
along with the protocol, guys, dahil natatama niya yung signals with our brain and our gut, talagang miski iniisip mo na magja-Jollibee ka, naiisip mo na, meron akong, halimbawa, meron ka pang pagkain sa bahay, or kung magkakarinderya ka, alam mong natatama na yung pagkain mo, unlike before na kung ano yan, go lang. Kung ano yung
Yes.
masosi dyan, mga matamis dyan, di ba? So yun siya,
Mhm.
that doesn't give the most benefit sa ating katawan. So by
Yeah.
that, bestie, please go back to the person who, kung wala kayong questions ha, who invited you in this
Yes.
call, and I hope this helped you. Hindi
Mhm.
namin kayo binebentahan, walang problema. We are just sharing the protocol that has helped save our lives as well and our families. So
Yes.
please get back to the person who invited you. Kung may questions pa kayo, feel free to open your mic. Go ahead
Mhm.
lang po, and we can listen to your question and answer it as well.
Yes. Pwede mag-unmute,
So,
pwede rin i-type
yeah,
sa
pwedeng
chat room
mag-unmute.
kung nahihiya. Yeah. Oo.
Si
Meron pa
Ate
ba?
Hero daw.
Ask ko lang, if someone with maintenance ng high blood pressure,
Ano daw yan?
yung may maintenance ng high blood pressure.
Okay. So,